Hello everyone! For our next craft, start off by cutting multiple circles of different colored papers. Take some glue and stick it on some clay. Now flatten the clay while sticking it as shown above and add a cute little eye, nose and blush to each of the things above. Make different animals. For our next craft, take a white sheet of paper, fold it over as shown above and make the edges curved. Cut a round circular bottom and then stick a hat on top of it as shown above. Add some eyes, a carrot nose and a mouth and stick it to this ovular sheet of paper. Make cute little hands out of brown paper and stick it on white sheet. Now for our next craft, we will be taking green paper and cutting it into the shape of a Christmas tree and sticking it in an illusionary way once again. Decorate the tree as you please and add the bark at the bottom. Add some clay at the bottom which is in white so that it symbolizes snow. Add some gifts under the tree and decorate it with cute little leaves. Have yourself an illusionary Christmas tree. For our next craft, take a red sheet of paper and cut out a little red sock. Stick strips of paper on this red sock and line it accordingly. Take some white sponge and stick it on top. And there you have a little gift sock. Take some clay of red and white and twirl it around and add it to your decoration. Thank you for watching.